What's up, Internet? I got something exciting. Came in the mail the other day, and it's in this box. You can see it says current performance on it. So I got my wiring harness, and actually the box is empty because I already opened it because I was super excited to check out this wiring harness. I haven't got it completely installed yet because I'm waiting for a few sensors and stuff like that, but I wanted to show you guys what it's all about. That way, if you're trying to do a LS swap and you're looking for a quality wiring harness, you can consider current performance. So as you can see, I've got everything kind of laid out. I've already plugged it into the power center relay box and got that bolted down, so everything is good there. And I just kind of had it draped over where it's going. I kind of test fit some of the connections, but as you can see, each one of these wires is labeled. So O2 sensor passenger side, O2 sensor driver side. This goes to the fuel tank. I'm actually not sure what that's for. But you see, you know, all the connectors are brand new. They're in great condition. They're labeled of what they go to. They got heat shielding on areas that are close to the exhaust. So it's a really, really well laid out harness. Something else that Current Performance did that I really, really liked is if you look back here, let me find it. They even have the extra grounds and they tell you where to go. So this one's to the cylinder head. There's a couple other grounds laid out that say go to the frame. So it's a very quality setup, really easy to lay out. I got it with the basic corrugated tubing to match the rest of the truck, but they can actually do it in performance braided. If that's what you want, they have them for LS engines with no automatic transmission, 4L60, 4L80, different stuff like that. And everything lays out really, really well. So as you can see, making good progress. I think I talked about in the one video, I'm gonna go with an aftermarket tank, and I've definitely decided on that. The stock tank, I don't know what it is. It could be just me, but I've tried two different fuel pump modules. The indexing tab that goes into the tank is different on the new ones compared to the old ones. So it clocks the three outlets for the feed, return, and vent right into the tank, so you can't get hoses on it. I've tried to reclock the top of the hat to the bottom of the hat and cannot get it set up. The fuel locking ring, or the module locking ring, will not go down in seat. I had my dad, who was a mechanic for 30, 40 years, try it. He couldn't get it, and I said, you know what, I'm not going to try. I've tried two different fuel pump modules. I put a Walbro 255 in one, taking it all apart, voiding the warranty and everything, and I'm just over it. So I'm going to order one. I found one on eBay, and the measurements that they gave, it should fit right underneath the bed where the spare tire went. So I'll still have that clean look, just have a small hole in the bed to fill it, but still be able to use the bed for cargo and everything like that for if I do Hot Rod Drag Week or Rocky Mountain Race Week. So that's where I'm at. I said hopefully this thing can fire up in the next couple months. Like I said, it's coming down to short list. The big thing is plumb fuel system, I need to get a radiator, hoses, and I got to get an ECU. And that one, I'm pretty sure I'm going to go through Michigan Motorsports. You give them all the information, they email you, or not email, but they'll send you a new PCM or a refurbished one that's flash with all your vehicle information. You can send them yours, and they'll do it. I'm probably just going to do the exchange. I've got like 5 different PCMs, drive-by cable, drive-by wire, the original 4-cylinder, I've got all that stuff. So that's where I'm at, and wish me luck. Y'all have a good one.